everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today, I'm gonna share a fact on the topic. Know it now. Why do most of the girls love pink? Pink is a pale shade of red that is named after a flower of the same name. According to surveys in Europe and the United States, pink is the color most often associated with charm, politeness, sensitivity, tenderness, sweetness, childhood, femininity, and romance. In another survey with 200 college students about the reasons of color preferences, social scientists found that only 15% of the students believed that it was based on biological factors, and more than half, that is 55% of the students believed that it was based on environmental factors such as seeing pink on other females. Hence, I conclude by saying a girl's liking for pink is not by nature, but it is nurtured by the society. See you soon in the next video with a new fact. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.